In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a page in Canva. This is perfect when you only want to change the size of one page in your design without affecting the others. The best part is that Canva creates a copy of that page first, so your original stays safe while you experiment with the new dimensions. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design loads, take a look at the page thumbnails. On most devices, you'll see them arranged as small previews below your canvas. Each thumbnail represents a different page in your project. Find the page you want to resize. Now, right-click on that specific page thumbnail. A small menu will appear with several options. Look for the option labeled Resize Page and click it. This tells Canva you're only interested in changing the size of this single page, not the entire design. When you choose it, Canva will generate a duplicated page, and that duplicate is the one that gets resized. This built-in copy is a great safeguard, letting you compare versions or revert easily if you change your mind. Next, you'll see choices for how to set the new size. You can enter a custom size by typing in your dimensions, or you can browse through categories of preset sizes. Presets are organized around common uses, like social posts, presentations, print documents, and more, which makes it quick to match platforms or formats. If you prefer a custom size, just enter the width and height in your preferred units, pixels for digital use, inches or millimeters for print, then confirm. Keep an eye on orientation as well. Swapping width and height can change the layout dramatically, so make sure the numbers reflect portrait or landscape as you intend. After resizing, don't be surprised if elements shift slightly. That's normal when changing dimensions. Give the resize page a quick check to make sure text remains readable and images aren't cropped unintentionally. Because Canva kept your original page untouched, you can always compare the two and decide which works better. That's all there is to it. Open your project, right-click the page you want to resize, select Resize Page, then choose a preset or set a custom size. With this approach, you keep your workflow flexible and your original design intact while adapting one page to exactly what you need.